Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the ramen with the link in description.
Alright, this is Hans.
And this is Miles.
And it's time for another episode of Professional Mukbang. The Mukbang show, we're not going to jump around and act like fools like most of the people do on YouTube. I'm looking at you, crazy people. And we're going to try something spicy today. And we're trying this. This is actually the least spicy of the ranges of Buldak that are out there. This is the SWICY Buldak. It's sweet and spicy. Yeah, so we've got some prepared right here. This is going to be what we feast upon. If you notice right here, here's the original image that I did for the regular review. There's little bits of I don't know what and some little sugar sprinkles. Samyang makes a lot of things other than Buldak, and they make this thing called Popeye Snack. And Popeye Snack is like little bits of noodle that are crunchy, and it comes in a little bag, and you like grab some and eat it. But it has these little sugar, they're bigger than these, but they're these sugar crunchy things that are in there, and that's what this reminds me of. Anyways, let's have our regular drink of liquid. And so grab your weapon. Might be a little warm still. All right, ready?
Ready,
Set?
go. Not bad.
It's not as spicy as the other ones, is it?
Yeah, it's not spicy.
It's got some heat
A
to it.
little.
A little. Try some more. You got to let it build up
Okay.
and see how spicy you can handle. This is Miles's third mukbang. He generally doesn't eat any warm food, mushy food, stuff like that. So this is a real stretch for him, and I'm quite proud. Try again. It's all good.
Yeah, everything's so good.
There you go. Give it a yank.
Yeah.
There you go. Gullet that stuff.
Yeah.
But it's good. I mean, it brings some heat. The sugar sprinkle stuff, it's interesting. I think what would be more interesting is if they wanted to make it really sweet and spicy, make it like 3x, but give you a packet of like, I don't know, icing or like cake frosting to squirt on top, kind of like a yakisoba replacement. Like instead of mayo. That could be interesting. Yeah, there's the sugar sprinkles are right here. If you want to try them with that. Is it getting spicier?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. No, this is marketed as being something for people who can't handle spicy stuff. I'm pretty darn sure my wife and daughter would be like, "Whoa, that's way too spicy." So, but if you can handle a little bit, try it with the sprinkles.
It's too spicy.
Is it? Try one more. I dare you.
It's getting way hot.
Try one more time. And then you can hit your fire extinguisher.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, right in the middle where it's got all these sprinkles and stuff.
Why is that there?
Because they're sprinkles. It's special.
Oh.
It's the sweet and spicy aspect. So yeah, get some on there and then like rub it around in the sprinkles. That should work.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You're doing great, man.
Yeah.
I'm impressed.
Mm-hmm.
Miles received an accolade from school. He busted up 2 grade levels in math on his school test thing. That's rad, dude.
Mm-hmm.
Better than I can do. And you found a new variety yesterday. We were at the store and we found, what do you call it?
Birria.
Birria, yeah. So that's cool. You tapping out?
Yeah, I'm tapping out.
All right. You can grab your fire extinguisher if you want. By the time we're done, we've got 4. I'm looking over there. We've got 4 more varieties. We've got 2X. We got the Birria one. We've got Carbo, and we have
Rosé.
Rosé. That's right. So we'll go through everything and we'll try the 2X. And I bet you by then he'll be able to handle it, because the heat of this stuff you get a tolerance to really quick. Yeah. It's good. This one seems more tangy to me. There's a lot more of the flavor of it comes through rather than just all the brutal heat. All right. Done.
Done.
There you go. So was that fun?
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, we'll do another one this weekend. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe we'll do one tomorrow. Because tomorrow's MLK Day and you've got it off. So I've got one I'm going to do with my daughter of an interesting noodle cup that doesn't exactly have the standard noodle you would eat inside of it. So stay tuned for that soon. And, yeah, good show.
Yeah.
Well done. All right, this has been Hans, and this has been
Miles.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Each and every day.
Have a good one.
Bye and have a good day.